Hey YouTube, I'm Nadine and this is a learning journey. Today's project is going to be pretty much about templates, why it's beneficial to make a template for something. So this fish is going to end up being a big wall art piece. I'm going to make a school of fish. I need 105 of these. So this is definitely going to be helpful when I go to cut all these out on the plasma cutter. So I'll go ahead and show you guys why I make this and how I make it. So cutting out the template took me probably like 7 minutes, and I'm kind of slow at doing everything. But cutting out the 10 fish took me 14 minutes, which would have taken me a lot longer if I had to draw out each fish and then cut it again. I still got to grind all these up, but definitely helps speed the process along. Thanks for all the support again, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a great day.